Okay, this is the electromagnetic here. Just going to remove all the swarf out the way, that's all, so that we can limit the amount of contamination in the tank. There's plenty of lubrication. Place the jig in place with the arrow facing that you want, which way you want the port, and drill out the 4 fixing holes in 5mm. Place a bolt in position to stop the jig from moving, and drill out the opposite hole. Second bolt, and that stops further movement. Another one. More's in there, so it locks it in. Change the drill to a 6mm. These are the 4 fixing bolts for the, and these internal fixing ring for attaching the fuel active in. So we'll just drill a 6mm pilot hole first. Okay, contamination away. A magnet, and you can use this to just grab a lot of the contamination. To reduce the contamination, you can get the silicone trays, which can be folded up, supported in the middle, and actually pushed into the hole. To then be held in place to reduce all the contamination going into the tank. The 8 bigger holes, which were 6mm, need to be drilled out to 10mm to give clearance for the bolt. The 4 fixing holes, they need to be countersunk. Okay. It's okay. You can then use a magnet or a vacuum cleaner to remove the excess swarf. See that? And the silicone container can then be removed from the tank. We then get the fixing ring, which is attached using these 4 locations. This easily goes inside the tank. It's always worth giving a visual inspection to check that the holes align. Just give the area a quick clean. Clinger sill gasket is placed over the hole. You can see obviously by countersinking them it allows the gasket to sit square and flat. You can then install your fuel active unit into the hole. Once the unit is in place with the port facing the correct direction, you can insert the fixing bolts with a copper washer. And if you have a torque wrench, you can torque the fittings up to the correct pound. Remove the plug, which is an M16, put the correct adapter in to connect your hose.